Today, I open my Gmail and I see a request for solving a tensor question. Okay, and I will show you the request and I will answer it. It will be my pleasure to do it. Okay, and here the request for proof of tensor question. Okay, this is his address. Okay, dear sir, I hope this email finds you well. It states that I have a problem in the below question. Dear sir, kindly solve the below problem. If you have a free time, I will be thankful to you. This is the question that he wants me to prove. Okay, I will do it with all my pleasure. Okay, so I will open this, the July 27th, 2021. Okay, what he's requesting is this, to show, the identity. Okay, you see, if you use the vector calculus, okay, it's not complex, okay, but takes a long time, okay. But as I mentioned in my playlist about tensors, okay, if you use the tensor language, okay, you'll be helpful, okay, and it'll be easy, okay. I want to show you something here, okay. Okay, this is, he wants me to prove this is the cross product, the vector A cross B, this is C cross D, this is identical, he wants to prove me, okay, this is B A dot C, okay, and B dot D minus A dot D times B dot C. Okay, I want to prove this. Okay, look, first of all, it's important to understand, okay, in the tensor notation, okay, if I have a cross product, okay, A, B, C, D, they are vectors, okay, I didn't put the arrow here, but these are vectors, okay. This is, I can represent the components of this cross product as, here's my permutation symbol, epsilon I, J, K, A, J, B, K, okay? And the cross product C cross D, here. And now, attention now, okay? There's a trick over here, okay? You see, this a dot product. So this is a vector, okay? And this is also a vector, okay? So the dot product, all this term here is scalar, okay? It's a scalar quantity. Okay, now, if this is a scalar quantity, okay, I have to have, in this case, okay, I will put like this, okay. This is C cross D, this will be epsilon I PQ, okay, CP DQ, okay. Now, look, this is a vector, okay, a vector. This is also a vector, okay. I here, okay, is free index, okay. I here is free index. Why? Because C cross D is a vector, okay? There's only one free index, okay? Now, why did I put I over here and I over here, okay? I could put another letter, different letter, but because it is a scalar product, I will use the same free index, okay, when I use both. You see, look at here. See how it's interesting, okay? Now, A cross B dot C cross D is equal. Now, look, epsilon I j k aj bk, okay? Now, epsilon I jk, oh, I'm sorry, epsilon I pq, okay? pq c p dq. You see, I use the same index, okay? Here, see, I'll put a blue color over here, okay? This is I over here, and this is I over there, okay? Now, okay, this dot product now, the whole product, okay, this is a scalar, okay, this is scalar, okay, this is a scalar, there is no free index, okay? Now this I and I, okay? Now, I will just put over here epsilon jk epsilon pq. Now aj bk cp dq. Now my blue one, okay, I didn't forget. I just put I over here and I over here, okay? Now I will use an identity, okay? This identity, you not prove it, okay? This identity, you just verify, okay? Now, this is a very important identity. Identity is this: epsilon I j k epsilon I pq. This is identity, okay? You just doing this is a very interesting, okay? Just you put here delta, and here about minus delta, okay? Now, you see, you forget I, okay? Just work on J and K, okay? Now, unfortunately, you have to memorize this, okay? Now, you write JP on the same order, JP, okay? JP, KQ. Now I will exchange, okay? Look, J is the first one. Forget I, okay? Forget I. J will pick K, okay? J, you pick K. And K, you pick P. KP. This is identity, okay? This is a chronic delta, okay? As you know, okay? Chronic delta, okay? Delta Ij is equal, okay? 1 or 0, okay? 1 or 0, okay? 1 when I is equal J, and 0 when I is different from J, okay? This is chronic delta. Now, I will apply this identity to this term over here, okay? So this is a yellow term over here, okay? Now I will apply this. Okay, that's the first, okay? I'll repeat, okay? No problem. Then I'll have here, I have delta J, I'll do it better here, okay? delta JP delta KQ, okay, applied to AJ BK CP DQ. I'll separate both terms, okay? And the other one, I will apply this minus here. So I will write delta JQ delta KP, okay? And the same term here, AJ BK CP DQ, okay? And this is minus over here, but I will leave there. Okay? Now I'll use the property, okay? Look here on the right, okay? Look, delta IJ AJ, there's a property, okay? Okay, this J is dummy and I is free, okay? This is AI, okay? That's a property of current delta. If you develop this, it'll be easy to see it, okay? Now, for instance, delta PQ AP, okay, will be AQ. That's a property of delta, of current delta. If you develop here's a dummy, okay, if you develop this, you see, and you apply the definition here, you see easily that delta IJ AJ is AI, delta PQ AP is AQ. Okay, I use the same, okay, the same property over here, okay. Here you have to memorize, as I said, okay, and this is a property of a delta IJ. Now I'll look at here. Look now. It's just if you pay attention, you see that's quite clear. Okay. Look, delta GP. You see JP. This is J. Okay. I'll write here AP. Okay. I use this property over here. See, delta JP AJ is AP. Okay. Now that's good because I have many cars over here. Okay, now delta KQ. Okay, now you see here is DK or DQ. Okay, now I'll look at here and the green one, and I look this green one. Okay, now this one, okay, is AP. Now the green one, you see, delta, in this case, KQ, DK, okay, this will be DK, okay. Now look the green one, KQ, and in this case, in Q over here, okay. This one, give me this one, okay. And the yellow one, that's Cora is good, you see, because you can see clear, okay, in this one, okay. Now I'll keep it because I repeat, okay, I repeat my CP, and in this case BK. You see, look at the right hand side, okay? I only have dummy index, okay? Now it's quite clear. Let's find another car over here. You see, look, AP CP is A dot C. It's quite easy, okay? And DK BK, okay, it will be B dot D. That's quite, it's easy, okay? And then I solve the first term over here, okay? I'll do the same down here, okay? And so this dot product here, I just obtained the first term, okay? And now let's see this one. Okay? This is equal I use colors. Okay, let's pick the yellow color. Okay, now JQ. Okay, this is J. Okay, now JQ. This is J. Okay, this will be AQ. AQ, the yellow one. Okay, now let's obtain the green one. The green one. Okay, now KP. Okay, there's a P over here. Okay, this will be CK. CK. I repeat the white ones. Okay, I repeat BK, BK, and I repeat DQ. Okay, it's quite easy now. And now will be this, my red color. Okay, look, Q and Q. You see here? You see this A dot D. Okay, now K, K. This will be B dot C. Oh, easy. Now I solved. I got the proof. You see? A, let's put it here. A cross B. This is C cross D. Now this is the first term over here. You see? And the first term over here, quite easy, will be P and P, will be A, square C. Now B, oh, there is an arrow here, okay? This is K and K, okay? And B, BC, and AD, okay? This is D. This is D. Okay? So you just look at here, okay? Base C here. Okay, I'm sorry. Will be K over here and K over here. Oh, this is the second one. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay? This is the first one over here, okay? This is be AC, okay? And BG, okay? AC and BD, okay? Now, I will erase here, this one here. Okay? Now, minus, you see, don't forget minus over here, okay? I'm sorry, this is plus over here, okay? This is minus, okay? Don't forget this minus signal here, okay? Okay? And this is minus here, okay? Now it will be BC, here now, B dot C, okay? And this, you see, B in this case, okay? I have AJ in this case, okay? Just look at here, and B, C, and AD, okay? That's the proof, okay? Now you can look now, his email, okay? And see here, okay? A cross B dot C cross D, ACBD, AGBC, okay? So it's proved, okay? Just look at here, ACBD minus BCAD. Okay, I hope you enjoy it, okay? And also my students here in Brazil, also I hope they enjoy it, okay? And I'll see you, okay?